Brief, accurate and important news of today's Tuesday. Mullah Nurullah Nuri, acting Minister of Borders and Tribal Affairs, told the nation in the accountability program of this ministry that with the arrival of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, 133 gained in about 300 minor disputes were resolved through the rival assemblies. Because of these disputes, 691 people died and hundreds of them were injured. Economic Assistant commended the latest World Bank report published by the World Bank on July 31st on the economic situation in Afghanistan, which indicates positive developments in the economic situation in Afghanistan. Economic Assistant stated that such developments should be revealed to the world, not ignored. Khalifa Sirajuddin Haqqani, acting Minister of Interior, met with the representative of the deaf people of the country and listened to their problems and demands closely. He added, "We will collaborate to take steps to provide job opportunities to several deaf people based on their abilities." Maulavi Ataullah Umari, acting Minister of Agriculture, Irrigation and Livestock, during his visit to Bamiyan province, visited various parts of Bandi Amir National Park and talked about creating more facilities for visitors. Kabul municipality says in the first pass of Nawabad Dimazang, the construction work of alleys is underway. Nasrullah Zermal, one of the former military personnel, says that the employees and military officials of the former administration have not been harmed by the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, and the poisonous propaganda that is spread in this connection is not true. Kandahar Chamber of Industry officials say that special attention has been paid to the industry under the rule of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan. In the country's capital, Kabul, Milad Darwazi from Badakhshan province defeated his powerful Pakistani rival in the second round of the free wrestling competition.